Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new, I would love if you guys subscribe and join my little YouTube family I have here. And if you're returning, I really always appreciate you coming back and always supporting me. Today I'm gonna do a little day in the life. I wasn't really gonna vlog today, but I am trying to be more consistent, so I was like, let me just vlog. I'm going to get some gas, and then we have a bunch of errands to run. Make sure you guys go over on Instagram and follow me at Jaleesa Graham. The sun is sunning right now. I have a bunch of things I'm trying to get done, a bunch of like decluttering and cleaning that I'm trying to do before the end of the year. I love to do a massive declutter, getting rid of things, clothes that my boys don't wear, things that are too small. 1 second, guys.
How you doing?
Hi, good. Can I just have 20 cash regular,
20
please?
cash
Thank
regular.
you. I'm just getting gas right now, but I always love to get rid of things, especially before the holidays. But like I said, just getting rid of clothes they don't wear, things that I don't want, things I've accumulated throughout the year. If you have kids, you know, kids accumulate so much stuff. Even as adults, we accumulate so much stuff. So I love to start off the new year fresh with like basically getting rid of all of the clutter, and definitely doing a deep clean into the new year, so you just go into the new year fresh. So I'm probably going to start, I've been going through like papers and things like that, so my house is a little bit messy, if you want to say. But that's because I'm going through like closets, really looking at clothes, looking at toys, donating, getting rid of them and all of that. So I'll be also doing that. I'm going to drop off some paperwork, and then me and the baby have an appointment to get to. Well, she has an appointment I have to get her to, and we just have a bunch of stores. So get ready for a day in the life. All right, guys. All right, y'all, let's get started. So we just did our first stop, and now we're headed to, wait, oh damn, I'm going the wrong way. Why did I turn? Oh my god. All right, let me turn right around. I gotta go to this building. I don't know, sometimes, you know, when you're just driving, and I wasn't even thinking, wait, can I turn here? Oh no, I can't. Damn, I gotta go all the way up here. All right, it's so funny though, we had a errand to run, and in the place there were a couple ladies, and they were like obsessed with the baby, trying to get her to smile, talking to her, trying to make her laugh. And when I tell you, sis was giving straight face, like straight face. And it's just so funny, like everywhere we go in the supermarket, people are like, she's so cute, she's so beautiful, try to, hi mommy, hi beautiful. Sis just be giving unfazed straight face. It's just so funny. The ladies in there were so nice, and they were just really trying to get a smile out of her. She did like a little half a smile for them, but she was not. They came, they showed her Christmas decorations. I mean, they was trying so hard to get a smile out of her, and she was just like, my baby, she is too funny. Too funny. All right, I went the wrong way. I gotta stop at this building over here. I mean, over here. I don't think I'll have time for Starbucks, because we stayed in there a while talking to them ladies. They was really like putting in overtime trying to make her smile or something, and sis was not giving in. But I have these papers to drop off, and then possibly Starbucks, and then head to her appointment. All right, guys, so we just got through. It is 12 o'clock now. I took the baby to an appointment. It took a little longer than I thought it would, but we're done. I'm stopping at Chick-fil-A to get us some lunch. Let me get myself together. Hold on, let me get my money so I can be ready. Yes. Let me just see if I have change. 1 second. 33, you said? Okay. $35. All right, thank you. Have a good one. Oh, hello. For Jay. Yeah, thank you. All right. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Okay. I be trusting Chick-fil-A and all, but still you have to check the bag anyway, guys. You have to check. Guys, so I had some Chick-fil-A. The baby's still sleeping. I actually forgot that there's a and it just worked out because I'm just like in the perfect area. There's a the division that I foster for, they having like a toy pickup event, so where you can just like, as a foster mom, I could just go in and pick out a toy for my child. So I'm actually going to stop and do that because it's right in the area of where I need to go next. It's literally like across the highway of where I need to be. So it's 12:50 now. I'm gonna go in. Oh, she's coughing. I don't want to wake her up. I'm gonna have to wake her up because I'm gonna have to carry her in there. I'm gonna go in here and see what kind of gifts they have. They do this every year. It's like for a week, but today is the first day, so I want to go the first day because I probably will have like the best options and stuff. It's 1 to 4 today, the time, so it's 12:51 now. I'm just gonna go in early, hopefully. I mean, it's only like 9 minutes early, but because I do, and I see people going in, and I'm assuming they're going in for that, so we got to go in and get my baby some gifts. And you literally just get to pick out a couple gifts for your little one. So I'm gonna go and do that. I gotta carry her and wake her up, but it's all good. And then we're gonna go across the highway and do my other appointment where I just have to drop off some like housing paperwork. All right, guys. Cheese, you're so sweet. She saw the camera. She was like, cheese, cheese. So we just finished the event where we got I picked up some gifts. I'll try to do a haul. Cheese. If the kids, if Nick and Gabe like aren't home, maybe I would do it now. I just don't have space in here, y'all. But my godson loves Spider-Man, so I got him a Spider-Man remote control car. I got Gabe like Legos. They had like some Naruto books I got for Nick. He loves like anime. Baby girl, I just got her like some light up toys. She loves things that light up and sing and dance. So before we go to our next place, I want to see if she wants to try some of this mac and cheese, girl. Try to figure some Chick-fil-A mac and cheese, because she usually likes my baked mac and cheese. So let's see if she'll eat this. I tried the grilled chicken nuggets. I think they're so good. She was like, no thank you. But she's not a fan of meat yet. She doesn't like any type of meat. Want to try the mac and cheese? You like macaroni? Yes. Okay, so she's eating that. So I'm gonna sit here and feed her some of this. Let her get full. And then I have some paperwork to drop off that's like right across the highway. Yes. You saying cheese? Say cheese. Cheese. She is like a little model, y'all. I love to smile for the camera. You say cheese, mommy. I like that mac and cheese. Yummy. Is that yummy for your tummy? So I'm just gonna feed her this, y'all, and then we're gonna head out and finish our errands. It is cheese. You're so funny. It's 1:20 now, so that only took like 25 minutes. And yeah, it did. It only took 25 minutes. That's what I told them. I told them it took 25 minutes. Oh, she liked this. Eat. Only took 25 minutes. If you see the green bag right there, that's the bag of toys that we just got. All right, y'all, so let me just feed her and then we're gonna continue about our day, getting it all done. Want some more? You want some more? Oh, she dancing. You know food good when you dancing. Look at her. She kicking her feet. She kicking her feet, singing. Okay. Okay, girl. The baby girl just want to be in the camera. Say, ooh. Say, uh-oh. Say, uh-oh. Say, uh-oh. She says it, guys, I swear. So it's, yes. You hear her cute little voice? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? You want me to hold you? Okay, hold on. Yeah. Okay, mommy. I was going off to do more errands, and then I forgot that I made the boys a hair clock appointment. It's 5:04 right now. We just got here to their hair appointment. I picked up Gabe and Nicholas. Nicholas is in there getting his haircut. I'm in the car with the baby and Gabe taking a nap. Nicholas was taking a nap. My boys love they after school nap, boy. You wouldn't think they like at work all day. The way they come and take a nap after school. So Nick is in there getting his haircut. Lord have mercy. Too many kids. Nick is in there getting his haircut. Gabe is going to be getting his next. I'm gonna just tidy up the car while I'm in here. And then we're gonna head off to the supermarket and then decide what we're gonna do for dinner. All right, y'all. Long day. I'm tired, but we getting it. Yes. Say uh-oh. I want her to say it, y'all. She says it's so cute. Say uh-oh. Say uh-oh. She's just smiling. Thank you, mommy. You give that to me. Say ooh. Why you never want to do it when every time you try to show people what your baby could do, they never do it. Say, ooh. Mommy, do it one time. Say, ooh. All right, say, uh-oh. Say, dada. Say, mama. Nothing. See you later, guys.
What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time, you probably need a break to see if you were down, whatever. Ride and die together, but baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time, you probably need a break to see if you were down, whatever. Ride and die together, but baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time, you probably need a break to see if you were down, whatever. Ride and die together, but baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time, you probably need a break to see if you were down, whatever. Ride and die together, but baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together.
we're back home from Sesame Place. We had a really good time. Sesame Place actually invited us to come and go to they invited us like a couple weeks ago, and we went for like the Halloween, no, yeah, it was like, dang, it didn't even seem that long ago, probably 2 months ago, because it was like Halloween themed. I said weeks ago, but maybe like 2 months ago, they had invited us and we went to the Halloween like spooky theme time, and now they invited us back for a very furry Christmas. So it was very fun, everything Christmas theme. It kind of helped me to get into the Christmas spirit because I really haven't been in the spirit that much. But it was really fun. We picked up my godson this morning. It was really nice. They had like a little welcome basket for us. I have some of the things here. They gave me a couple of toys for the baby, and they gave us the Abby Magic Q passes, which are wristbands that let us like skip the line, so we didn't have to wait in line for any of the rides. And we went on most of the rides. If you ever been to Sesame Place, it's a really nice park, and it's really like, it's a good size. Like, I love that it's not too big because you can kind of maneuver and know where everything is. And we kind of went on most of the rides. We did they had, what's it called, guys? S'mores. And we had hot cocoa, and then they had like different characters besides like Elmo and Big Bird and stuff. They also had like a snowman, they had like a reindeer, Santa was there, so it was really nice. Everything had like Christmas lights and stuff like that. It was like a little goodie bag. The baby, she heard me press the Elmo and came out of nowhere and just took the whole bag, so she's on the floor right there. Y'all know she loves to get into the camera, loves to get into the camera. But it was really nice. We had a good time. I kind of have like a headache, so once we got home, we just been settling. My godson and Gabe are playing a game, and then Nick is on his game. The baby's just in here with me. I'm watching this movie with Tiana Taylor. I forget the name of it. It's that movie like with her son. I don't know. It's on Prime. I forget the name of it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. As soon as I try to film the TV, here go that little head popping up trying to get into the camera. But that's all for guys. That's all it for today, guys. I'm really tired, kind of have a headache, so I'm just gonna lay back. I'm gonna do a little bit of laundry. In the morning we have an event to go to, like a breakfast event that I'm gonna take the kids to at a bowling alley by us. It has like a bowling alley. It's a Christmas event. It has bowling. What do they have? Arcade games, like laser tag. We were invited to like a Christmas event at the bowling alley that they're having, so we'll be there tomorrow. I'll vlog that, and then after Nicholas is going to like a teen Christmas party at a church that we go to in our neighborhood, so I'm going to drop him off for that. And they're going to do like a gift exchange, like up to $15 gift, like $5 to $15. So I have to get him a gift. I'll probably go to like Five Below tomorrow, and you can also bring a treat. So I'm going to go to Insomnia Cookies, and that's going to be his treat that he's going to be bringing. And then what else do we have to do tomorrow? I feel like it's another thing, but I can't think of it right now. But I'm gonna bring you guys along with me tomorrow. And after that, we're gonna do like a little deep clean Sunday reset, get ready for the week, starting the week off good. Hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. I really have a headache and I'm kind of tired. We were out since the park opened, and we were there all day. It was really fun. I'm gonna make a vlog of our time, so make sure you guys go over on Instagram. I don't know why I can't talk today. It's because I'm tired. Go over on Instagram and follow me at Jaleesa Graham. And I think that's it for today, y'all. I think that's it. Sis is tired. I'm tired, y'all. I need to take me a little nap, and I'm gonna be back with y'all tomorrow morning. Love y'all. Good night.